Hello everyone, this is Somya and you're watching Global Tales. And today we are going to talk about some food that we can have before and after our workout that accelerate the weight loss and the fat loss process. Before heading towards the video, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Also post your questions if you have any with the city name so that I can answer them in my Q&A videos. During the workout process, we need some energy, and this energy is being derived from protein, carbs, and fat that we eat. So, pre-workout meal is very important in order to sustain the energy throughout the workout process, and we don't feel exhausted and work out more and more up to our full potential and get best results out of it. One of the most easiest option is having a heavy fruit like banana or an apple that is having good carbs so that it gives you appropriate amount of energy to sustain throughout your workout. Being extensively rich in protein, peanut butter sandwich is again a very good option for a pre-workout meal. Peanut butter increases the good cholesterol in your body and is a very good source of protein for vegetarians. Banana being rich in vitamin D, protein and calcium, it's very good option as a pre-workout meal to sustain the energy. But grabbing a banana daily can be very boring, so we can transform it to some amazing delicious recipes. Like here I'm making a banana curd smoothie and adding some chia seeds to it. I've also discussed the benefits of chia seeds in my previous videos. Chia seeds being high in fiber and high in protein helps to reduce weight fast. Along with it, it's extremely good in maintaining your hair growth because of its good omega-3 fatty acids property. Also, it's a great antioxidant. And I must tell you that it is one of the delicious smoothies that you can have. Depending upon the type of workout and the intensity, we must give importance to the post-workout meal as well. People who are working intensively must emphasize on a post-workout meal in order to get maximum impact of their session. This helps to recover fast and go back to the workout session tomorrow, and it helps to prevent hunger as well for the entire day. You just have to grab a post-workout meal properly so that you don't overeat for the entire day. If you're working out in the morning, then post-workout black coffee is an amazing fat burner. It helps to increase your metabolism and you burn throughout your day, and you get maximum benefit out of your session after having a black coffee. But having said that, I would not recommend to have it regularly because of its high caffeine content. I would recommend to have it just once or twice a week and not to add sugar to it so that you can get maximum benefit out of that coffee. Oats being rich in fiber and protein is a very good option for having it as a post-workout meal to give you that appropriate energy to recover and so that you feel full and don't overeat for the rest of the day. It's very easy to make and you can prepare it in very less time. You just need 5 to 6 minutes to prepare it. Also, if you're making it for yourself, you need just one basic packet of oat and one bowl will be ready. That is very much enough for you. Just have it with a cup of green tea and it's the best post-workout meal that you can have. As I told you that almond milk is great in vitamin D and fiber and also good source of protein for vegetarians in my previous video, and also shared the recipe as well. It's a great post-workout meal as well. Also, it's just 40 calories, so you don't have to think too much before having it. Salads like chickpea salad, quinoa salad, sprouts are the great source of protein and carbohydrates with lots of vegetables like tomatoes and onions, as it gives ample amount of energy in order to sustain throughout the day and recover fast so that you can get out of your bed tomorrow with double the motivation. Also, it's super delicious and easy to make. Have it with a cup of green tea and some walnuts and almonds so that you get appropriate amount of fiber as well. Combining fats, protein, and carbohydrates as your pre and post workout meal gives you immense energy not only in terms of building a muscle but in order to increase the performance and the results that you are waiting for. As I always say, that life is a long journey and working out and having proper nutrients is a part of this long journey. So focus on having these healthy nutrients as a part of your daily life so that you can sustain this long journey. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below with your questions, and do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Bye.